You're good.
Your weather bulletin.
I know.
The National Weather Service in Green Bay has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Marinette County until 8:30 p.m. At 7:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Menominee or near Marinette, moving southeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Marinette around 7:55 p.m. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Porterfield and Peshtigo. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties: